Hey everybody, in this video I'm going to be walking you through the basics of navigating your SKMEI model 1818 watch. So this is a pretty simple watch. You've got two buttons on the left, you've got two buttons on the right, and then you've got a middle button on the right, which is your crown. The only thing you can do with the middle button is you can pull it out, and you've got a hacking movement in here. It'll stop the second hand, and then you can turn it while it's out to adjust your minutes and your seconds on your analog time. Once you've got your time set, you can press your crown back in, and that's really the only thing you can do with the middle button. Now let's talk about the other buttons. The top left button is only going to serve as your LED light. So it's got a green LED light. Not sure how well you'll see it here, but when I press it, the screen lights up nicely in a solid green color. On the bottom left, you've got your mode button. Now currently, I'm in my timekeeping mode. If I press this once, it'll take me to my stopwatch. If I press it again, it'll take me to my alarm setting, time setting for the alarm. If I press it again, it'll take me into my actual time setting for my digital time. You'll notice the blinking indicators always mean that you're in the setting format. And then I press it again, it'll take me back to my regular time mode. So I'm going to show you just real quick. Let's go into the stopwatch. To start the stopwatch while I'm in there, I'm going to press the top button, that starts it. Press it again, that stops it. Press the bottom right button to reset it. Press the mode button, it'll take me back to my time. Let's go into the time adjustment. So I've got my seconds blinking. If I want to progress to the next thing on the screen to adjust, I can just press the bottom right button. That'll take me to my minutes, my hours, my day of the date, month, and then up here is the day of the week. If you want to adjust any of these values while you're on the blinking indicator for the given value, you can simply press the upper right button, and that will progress you forward so that you can choose the appropriate value. You can't go back, you can only go forward. Press again, I can do my hours, so on and so forth. Once you've got your time set the way you want, you can simply press the bottom left button, your mode button, and you've successfully set the time. While you're in your timekeeping mode, the top right button is a toggle view to show you the date, so you can see there's my day. If I let go of it, it takes me back to my time. The bottom right button is a toggle view to show you your alarm time. So my alarm is set for 1 a.m. Now you'll notice that there's not an indicator down here in the bottom showing that my alarm is on. So I've got an alarm time of 1 a.m. set, but I don't have the alarm on. To turn it on, I'm going to press the two buttons on the right at the same time. So I'm just going to press one, press the other one, and you'll see that now I've successfully turned on my alarm. If I do the same thing, it'll toggle it off. So now I've successfully turned off the alarm. The only other setting that you've got on this watch is if you press the bottom right and then the bottom left, you can turn on or off your hourly chime. But that's a quick look at the navigating of your Model 1818 watch. I hope the video helps.